First, come to this website. Here enter how much money you want to receive, and just wait for your payment. This absolutely free and worldwide method allows you to earn free PayPal money, and let me show you how you can do that. Step number 1 for you is to come to this website called Prize Rebel. You can find the links of all the websites that we will use in this video down below in the description, so feel free to go to the description and save some time. As you can see, here it says, take paid surveys, make money online. Get free PayPal cash and gift cards. So, this is a website that will give you free PayPal money and they will pay you through gift cards from these companies, iTunes, Amazon, Visa, Steam and eBay. When you scroll down, you can see how this website works on this simple example. Step number 1 is to sign up for a 100% free account. Step number 2 is to earn points by completing short opinion surveys or easy offers, and step number 3 is to redeem points for PayPal cash or choose from hundreds of gift cards. So, you will complete simple tasks and you will be paid in points. Later, you will be able to exchange those points into real cash and real PayPal money, or through gift cards. When you scroll down through this website, you will be able to see more information about this website and how all of this works. Before we turn to step number 2, just a reminder that I will give you some bonus tips on how you can increase your earnings through this video, so make sure to keep watching the video until the end to not miss any of those tips. Step number 2 for you will be to make an absolutely free account and register on this website. Here you can choose between 3 ways of how you want to sign up. You can sign up with Facebook, with Google account or just to register with your email account by filling all the information required in this form right here. So, just enter your first and last name, email, and password. Then just click on Start Making Money and that is it. Now, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on. Now, this is how the dashboard looks like. You can see that there are a lot of things going on this page, so please make sure to watch this video until the very end. Also, I will give you some huge tips that you don't want to miss, so stay tuned for that. Now, I will show you the fastest way to start earning money on this website. On this page you need to take a look at this menu. Here you can see these options, Earn, Rewards, Win and Invite. Here you need to click on Earn and then click on Offer Walls. Now, it will open up this page where you will see this. Here is the huge list of mini tasks that you can do and you can earn money from. Now, here is the first bonus tip. I want you to click on Sort and then click on High to Low, because it will sort your jobs from highest paid to lowest paid, and it will be a lot easier to enter the highest paying jobs. Now, when you click on one of these green buttons, you will need to answer a few questions, play some games, or do something really easy. You can also choose if you want to receive free samples to your mail. So, I really recommend you to create a new email account that you will use just for this website. There you will receive emails on a weekly basis where they will ask you if you want them to send you some free samples that you will get paid to try, which is amazing. Also, by entering your email on this website, you are automatically taking part in a huge giveaway of $5,000, so you can win an Amazon gift card of $5,000, and you can spend it however you want. Now, if you do a lot of these tiny jobs, you will take part in one contest. I will show you how it works now. You need to click on this button from this menu that says Win. Here you need to click on this button that says Contest. It will open up this page where you can see this. You can read here more about this, but this is actually just a normal contest. You can also see rules here, and you can see leaderboards here. So, to rank high on this leaderboard you need to finish a lot of those offer wall jobs that I showed you, and when you earn a lot of points from them, your name will show here. People who finish on top of this list will be rewarded with real PayPal money, and these are really big prizes. For example, if you finish in first place, you can win amounts as high as $10,000, which is amazing. Again, you can go to the offer walls and start doing those small jobs. You can also come to those jobs just by clicking on this button. It will send you directly to this page, and you can start immediately. Also, you have different types of contests on this page. Here you can see that there are, besides this regular contest, US contest only. So, you can take part in this contest only if you are from the United States, but don't worry if you are not, because there is also this international contest. So, anyone from anywhere in the world can take part in this contest and they can earn a lot of money just by entering these contests. Also, there is one contest called Referral Contest. Here are the best referrals listed on this page, and they are getting huge prizes also. Now, the next way you can earn money from this website is this. You need to go to the dashboard, and here click on Win, and then click on Raffles. So, this website is doing raffles for every prize every few days. You can see this, step right up and test your luck to win a raffle prize. Here you can see the list of current raffles that you can earn money from. So, if you win those raffles, you will earn these amounts of money. So, you can see that there are earnings anywhere from $5 and all the way up to $50 just from one raffle. Here you can see how many people entered these raffles, then you can see when this raffle ends. Here you can click on Enter and you will take part in any of these raffles that you can see here. I recommend you to go with these raffles that have the lowest number of people that already took part in them. In that way, you will have the highest chances to earn something, but you can also take part in every raffle and maximize your chances. When you scroll down you can see upcoming raffles, and under that you can see which raffles have finished and who won that. Now, I will show you the easiest way you can earn from this website. I will show you how you can make other people do all the work for you, so you can do whatever you want, you can sleep, eat, or go for a walk, while those people will earn money for you on autopilot. You need to go again to this menu on the top of the page. Here you need to click on this button Invite, and then you need to click on Earn with Referrals. It will open up this page where you will see this Prize Rebel Affiliate Program. Tell your friends, family, and classmates about the Prize Rebel. So, there are actually 3 simple steps that you need to follow in order to make absolutely passive income from this strategy. Step number 1 is to refer, step number 2 is to passively earn, and step number 3 is to redeem rewards. I will show you how you can get hundreds and hundreds of referrals just from one traffic source, so you will not need to refer your friends and family, but you will just use one absolutely free website and get referrals every day. Here you can see that this website offers you an affiliate program where you can earn 15% from anything that your referrals earns. So, if your referral earns $1,000, you will earn $150. And if you get 100 referrals, you will earn $15,000 in 1 month just from your referrals. Here you can see that this website offers the best referral program amongst his competition. Now, all you need to do here is to click on this button to copy your affiliate link. Then you need to go to bit.ly where you need to shorten your link just by pasting your link here and clicking on this button. Now, copy this link and go to Google. Here you need to search for Make Money Online Forum. You can enter any you want, but I will enter this one for example. Here you need to publish a post where you will say that you found a website where people can earn free PayPal money just by completing simple tasks. Then just leave your referral link and post it here. That is how you can use this website to earn free PayPal money. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on. See you in the next video.